What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this thing again. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys my routine, my skincare routine, especially for my face. I have a very terrible oily skin and I just tend to break out all the time, like I'm tired. Okay, I've used a lot of products, a lot. It doesn't work. So this is what I do to at least keep it the way it is now. It's not the most smooth face, as you can see, but yeah, I still do wash it. So without further ado, before we get into this, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you comment, put a comment, put a comment, and then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button so you can get notifications each time I drop a new video. So let's get to this. First of all, I told you guys do not even start laughing at me, okay? I told you guys I have a very terrible oily skin. I do not use like a wet rag to rub it off. No, it's gonna break out. Okay, so I just gave you guys that hint to tell you this is what I use to scrub them oil off. Call my skin whatever you want. I don't know, but let's do this. So I use this. I first of all wet this up. If you see me looking over here, I'm looking at a mirror. Okay. Go ahead. Wet my face. And gonna use the soap. It's what's the soap again? Oh Lord, help me. What? Okay, so I'll try to remember the name of the soap before this video is up. But then I go ahead and rub it around. Yeah, I got a stuff in my eye. You can see it, it's red. Okay, so yeah. So I turn to next thing I do is that I go in with this. I'm trying to get my face a little wet again, I kind of dried it this time. I go in with this Neutrogena Naturals. Yeah, I got this from Ross. See, I think you can see the price right there, $4.99 or something. So you can get good products from Ross, guys. I'm telling you all. I know a lot of stuff I've gotten from Ross, you wouldn't even believe it. So I just go ahead and pull this thing on. And let us see. Let us see. Okay. Yeah. So we're just gonna let this sit for, I just let it, because it has this minty feeling, like a tea tree oil or whatever product you put on your face, that kind of minty feeling. That's why I like it. So I usually let it sit till I don't feel the tingly stuff anymore, or I don't feel it that much anymore. Yeah, like I said, goes to the back of my ears, guys. This acne is messing with me. You're messing with me, bro. I can't even. It's like I don't know what works for me anymore. Nothing works for me. Nothing. I've tried almost everything. Almost everything I can afford. Of course, almost everything I can afford. Them cheap stuff like this product I just put up now for $4.99. You know what I mean? Yeah. But seriously, I have. So I will wait for this thing to get in there. Comment down below what you use for your facial treatment. If you have oil skin, what helps you, and yeah, I would try it. If you want me to try it, I will try it, and yeah, let's see what happens. And again, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button, girls, so that when next I post a video, you will get it. Let's do this, guys, because you know we're going somewhere. You would be surprised. We're going somewhere. Yeah. Tell your friends and families. Let them subscribe to my channel. Okay, still back, still tingling, still tingling, still tingling. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to wash this thing up. Sorry, trying to pull my foot nut. Okay. I still feel tingling, but then I don't want to sit in here forever. Okay. My face feels super minty right now. It's like some kind of burning sensation, but feels good. You know what I mean? Okay, I got boogers in my nose. I got boogers in my nose. Okay. So tell me if you see any difference. I think I do. It just feels good. It honestly does feel good. My face feels so nice now. It still got me some bumps. You see it? See that one? Pew. Some of it. Pew. So next thing I do, I don't do this on a regular basis, but I try to, whenever I get like crazy ass face, like super grumpy, I don't even know the word, I use this product, guys. This is my lifesaver. It gave me life, it gave my face. Okay, so yeah, I use this product. You can see it. Boom. This is the Body Shop Tea Tree Clay Mask, Skin Clearing Clay Mask, guys. This is like it. So if I have that kind of bumpy skin and crazy acne week, whatever, use this product. You can use it every day depending on the severity of the acne, guys. It was expensive. This was actually expensive. You know, the kind of expensive I can afford. Okay. Yeah, I think they should be around $20 something on Amazon. So I tried ordering it directly from the Body Shop, but it didn't go through. So I had to get it from Amazon. My best shopping site, bro. I don't joke with that. Don't mess with my Amazon. It's like that. Don't mess with my discount.
I got purple bun and stuff, but I use this thing to like get them stubborn acne out on my face. So this one usually I let it sit. Okay, so I'll be back when it's done. When it's time to rinse it out, I'll be back and then I'll rinse it out.
So like I said, this is like $20 something. It's literally super small. I think on Amazon, when you see it on Amazon, this people's product is really nice. However, the containers are deceiving. Okay, when you see it on Amazon, it looks pretty bigger than this. But I like the fact that it's a clay mask, so I've used a couple. It's like it takes a really long time to get. I've been using this thing, guys, and it's like I've not even touched it. So yeah, see you guys in a second. This is what it looks like when it's all dried up. It looks so disgusting. Yep. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it off. The mistake I made twice actually when I got this product was that it was too expensive to just wash away, you know? To just wash away after 5 minutes. So I decided to go to sleep with it. Trying to save my money. So I ended up having more breakouts than I should. Okay. Since that time, I just put it on and wash it off when I have to. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. I said, this is what I do. This is what I do at night before I go to sleep. Not every day, guys. Come on now. I mean, I try, you know, but some nights you just cannot. You're just too tired. You go to sleep and you wake up with bumps on your face. Bumps on your face. So, but yeah, basically this is what I do. And take a look at my face. At least it's clean. There are still bumps, but just remember, if you see me looking here, I'm looking at a mirror, okay? It's clean. Still got my bumps on me, my sugar bumps. Oh. And yeah. So what happens is that by the time I'm done with this whole thing, my face literally gets stripped off all the oil and stuff. By the time I wake up in the morning, I'ma have me some pretty face. No acne, no bumps, no. But apart from that, I wake up in the morning. Lost my train of thought. I lost my train of thought. Okay. By the time I'm done with the medicated soap, remember the soap I used? It is a medicated soap. And the Neutrogena Naturals and the tea tree the Body Shop product, my face literally gets like dry and ashy, like very dry and ashy. And because this is at night, I don't put any other heavy product, okay, because I will just be adding oil to my face, you know. I'm trying to wake up smooth and, you know, smushy tomorrow morning. So this is what I do basically. All this was said to introduce Total Mixed Rose Water. Guys, I get this from Target. You can get any organic rose water from wherever. But this is a lifesaver for me. I love you so much. So I just go ahead and hallelujah. And that's it. Look at it. All of you can see the mist. I just let it, you know, soak into my face. And that's it. That's about it. So if you liked this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit on your subscribe button, turn on your bell notification button, and leave a comment down below, okay? Just to encourage me. Now you understand. Just encourage me, okay? I make the video, I edit it. What else do I do? You know, try to keep you guys company. The much you can do for me is just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification button, and leave a comment. I love reading you guys' comment, okay? I just need you guys. Let's do this, okay? Let us do this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next video. Bye. Peace.